Hello and welcome back to another HWM Caterham video walk around here on our lovely YouTube channel. Bit of a different video for you today. This is a 2009 Roadsport that we filmed a couple months ago, but we've done a fair few bit of work to it, so we thought we'd give you an updated video running through the majority of the work. So this has come to us with two owners from new, finished in Ford Ultimate Green, and is a 2009 Roadsport 125 that's covered just over 14,000 miles from new. So let's dive in together. Let's talk about some of the specs and also some of the bits of work we've done to it. So as mentioned in the intro, I have here a 6-page invoice for all the work we've done to it. I'm not going to bore you with the entire details of everything that we've paid for, but essentially I'll give you the quick rundown. A fresh set of tyres have been put on for the front and the rear, and these are on the Toyo RAAA tyres, the latest tyre available for this car. We've also done a full large service plus the 4-year add-on, so that's things like the spark plugs, all the braided brake lines, all of that's been done. Because it's a Caterham, they do like to eat stones, so this one has had a new radiator fitted as well as some other bits internally, such as the rear main oil seal. But all of that is in here with the invoice costing us just shy of £4,000. This one is ready to go and looks the part as well. This is obviously a 2009, so it does have the higher sitting halogen front lights, and they are on the black pack, which does mean that it's all black around the surround, windscreen, stone guards, and also the aero filler cap. And this colour really does pop as well. So moving on down to the side of the Roadsport, you can see that it's on the super light 13-inch anthracite alloys, and again wrapped in these brand new Toyo tyres. You can see the colour really does shine through, especially when you do get a nice side profile. Side exit exhaust is standard. This car does come with doors and a windscreen, obviously, and these lovely carbon stone guards. It does have a small amount of PPF fitted that covers half the rear arch, but again presented in such good condition overall. Under the boot, you'll find the full hood as well, which this car does come with, but it's on the standard lights as period correct. But these can be upgraded to LEDs if you did want that. Underneath the bonnet is the 1.6 Ford Sigma that pushes 125 brake horsepower, which is very respectable for a car of this nature. And it is presented on the Series 3 chassis. Enjoy me now on the interior of this lovely Roadsport. We'll start by talking about the wheels. This is a Momo non-quick release, so that does mean you do get steering lock. It's on the standard comfort seats as well, with these old style harness, but also seat belts. They do have the plug and the buckle as you'd find in a normal seat belt. Again, condition for a car that's done over 14,000 miles and is a 2009 plate. You can see some signs of age, wear and tear, but nothing to shy away from, as it's been very well kept. And that brings us to the end of the video walk around on this lovely bit of kit. If you're looking to be the new owner with a lot of money spent on it recently, then this is probably the car for you. For any more details about the service we've just done to it or the history on it, then please give us a call on 01932 240 611 or click the link to the website down in the description below. Thank you everyone for watching.